Shepherd here with Pamela Shep Productions, and I'm on my way to get my hair cut and colored. Then we'll see how it goes from there. It's been too long, so it's been a little bit hard fixing it, especially, you know, like my regular Pixie cut way. So, okay, I'll show you what I've come up with when I get back. Okay. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, hi friends, Pam Shepherd with Pamela Shep Productions here. All right, I got my hair cut yesterday and I washed it this morning. I put some of this bedhead hair thickener stuff on. Queen for a Day thickening spray. I put a little bit of this catwalk here and here. You know what, I should put some at the crown of my head because I need that to stick up. Okay, so I haven't been on, I wasn't on the whole entire month of January. I did do a video and then I thought, well, that's stupid. I'm not going to put it up. And then I made a flower and I thought, that's stupid. I'm not going to put it up. So I don't know. I've had a little bit of a time in January. But anyhow, I'm going to do a video today. So the first thing I'm going to do is blow my hair dry, and I'm going to use this great big round brush. It's a nano thermal ceramic brush, number 53. I think it's 3.5 inches, but I can't remember. I measured it once, so. I'll fast forward. So snowing outside and I love it. Of course, I don't have to go out in it today at all, but oh, I just love the snow so much. Just love it. Okay, I'm gonna just put some of this hairspray in my hair. Had a little bit longer Pixie this time since it's wet winter, and she did recolor my hair. Yeah. There we go. This is primer. Turn the fan on and dry the primer. I certainly don't need the fan for the weather. Some kind of like concealer. I'm going to put it down below my bags today. And up the center, down the center of my nose. Down on my chin. I'm just gonna sew today. That's what my goal is today, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm making what I'm working on right now is it's a Lori Holt hometown quilt that has, it's all houses, all different kinds of little houses, and I bought the machine embroidery. I guess it's a USB, but yeah, I got that so that it could actually do its own thing around all the houses, and I don't have to make the appliques myself and sew around them myself. My embroidery machine's gonna do that, so that's way cool. I am gonna videotape it because I have a Dream Machine too, and they are, I've had it for about a year, I think, pretty close to a year. And I bought it from a girl that was upgrading to a newer sewing machine. And I just love it. It's discontinued, so I mean, you can't even buy a Dream Machine new, but a lot of people are selling their Dream Machines because they're upgrading to a, you know, a fancy dancy one. But I'm telling you what, this Dream Machine is so wonderful. It has a projector on it, and it embroiders, and oh, I just love it. It's such a fun machine. Really been enjoying it. Plus I have my good old Singer featherweights and my SE 1900 brother. So that's cool. That is just cool. So I'm contouring my fat cheeks. Yeah. I think that's one reason I've had a bit of a downer attitude this January. I did turn 71, which, you know, that's okay. You know, a person can turn 71. But, you know, I was hoping to lose weight. I didn't lose weight at all. And then I ended up, remember I was telling you I had to have that implant? So I have the screw itself put down inside there. But I can't get the implant until, or the tooth itself, for 3 months. It has to heal 3 months. Would I do it again? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I would just get the partial. I don't know, because I started taking the antibiotic, you know, to keep yourself from getting the infection, and honestly, it made me sick. So I'm looking for my blush. What have I done with my blush? Well, there's probably enough on this. Huh, weird. Yeah, there's enough on there probably. And put some of this brown under there to hide the good old double chin. Okay. And, oh, I was going to put some of this contour stuff on my eyelids to almost like a primer on my eyes, because I don't have any eye primer right now. I didn't have it the last time I did a video either, did I? Oh well. Oh well. Okay, let's put some eyebrows on. This is a medium brown. Sometimes I use taupe, but since she colored my hair yesterday, it's got, you know, a good little bit of the dark in there, so I think this medium brown would be great. Okay. All right. I'm not sure if I made a big mess out of this. Oh, not too bad of a mess. I did go up above it a bit. I try to make this line here and then go up underneath it. Okay. Alrighty then. Gonna put that lid on there and that lid on there. Oh, I'm gonna put some more of those, see, what are they called? Those fingernails that, they keep advertising them all the time. Curve Life. I got some of those. And the last ones I put them on Christmas Eve, and I just took them off a week ago. It was amazing. The glue, see, I can't use the light reddish color. Looks like I got a zit on my face. Now, isn't that something? 71 years old, pimple. I've never even really had very many pimples as a teenager at all. You know? Some people really have them bad, and they have to early. Oh, let's see. I forgot about this. Oh, well. Oh, it does. Okay, well, there you go. That's kind of fun. I don't even know what this is or what color it is. It's just cute. Little. It's Clinique. And the color, oh Lord, is Plum Pop. I like it. Glossy stuff. Glossy, glossy. Okay. And I'm gonna curl my eyelashes real quick. I love the snow. I told the Lord this morning, I prayed and I said, God, if it's not going to cause really bad problems, you know, and I know that I'm just going to stay home and sew, but could you let it snow, please? And it was supposed to snow, so it did snow, and I'm so happy. Okay, I'm just going to wear kind of a, since I'm just going to be sitting home, well, I'm not going to be just sitting home. I'm going to get busy and sew. I really love. All right, I'm going to put some of this this color, kind of a taupe, and I'm just going to put a little outline in the crease of my eye, and I'm going to do it over here in the crease of my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take this bigger fluffy one kind of and blend it in just a little bit. Okay, then I want to put a little bit darker, like a V over there. I'll use this next middle one here. Make a little bit of a V. Same over here. Okay, then I think just today, because it's just easier, and oh, there was a brown one kind of. It was down below. Well, there you go. Okay, I'm just going to use the black pencil. Put a little bit under my eye, a little bit on top. Like that. And then I'm going to take this mascara, which is Last Sensational, and this one's by Maybelline. And I'm gonna I'll shut that fan off. It's got kind of a crooked wand, which works pretty good. So I think this is sewing room ready here. Yeah. All right, let's see what we think. I feel like I have to fix my eyebrow just a smidgen, since I kind of messed it up. Turn it up where there's a little bitty thing. There we go. That's good. Lash gel. Ew. Kind of gooey. Keep it on. Okay. Finishing spray. Perfume. Might as well smell good, right? Okay. All right. There you have it. There you have it. And glasses are kind of dirty, but anyhow, there you have it. That's going to be out. I think I will even just put some little earrings on, and for my sewing. And anyhow, you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, it's free. And if you like it, give me the thumbs up. And let me know what you think. How was your January? Was January a super-duper good? Was it a little drop off of Christmas down? Was it? Tell me what your thoughts are. And if you want to see some of my sewing stuff, some of you do sew, some of you don't sew. Would that bug you if I put some sewing stuff on? Let me know, okay? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'm going to have so much fun watching this snow, and you have a super good day. God bless you. Bye-bye.